Pennsylvania's forests are middle-aged, so foresters are trying to rejuvenate them. Ruffed grouse, the state bird, American woodcock, wild turkey, and declining birds such as golden-winged warblers and chestnut-sided warblers all need young forests to grow, as Kevin Winter, a biologist with the Pennsylvania Game Commission, is doing at the Nescopec State Park. Well, part of the park had been a farm. Forests started growing on it too. The problem, the wrong trees were taking root. Autumn olive and multiflora rose grew, and they're not native plants, so the birds and animals aren't used to feeding and living on them. Volunteers and state workers ripped out and sprayed the invaders, which is not an easy task. Then they planted aspen, a native tree that provides food and homes for grouse, which are declining in part because of West Nile virus. The next problem, deer like aspen too, and they're biting off the tops before the saplings can grow into trees. Each year, the aspen try to win their battle to grow taller faster than the deer can reach, as Winter explained while giving a tour of the fields during Bird Fest at the park on May 4th.
As our forests recovered from the devastation that occurred in the late 1800s, we had great young forest habitat up until the 50s, 60s. But since then, things have really matured, and we need to set the stage back and bring back a lot of that young forest habitat.
At least they have forests to manage. A century ago, loggers had harvested so many trees that Pennsylvania was nearly treeless. Foresters then had the opposite problem: too many young forests but not enough mature woods on which songbirds and other species rely.